I don't keep my orchids in a peat substrate. This method prevents them from rotting and getting sick. New leaves and flower buds grow as a result. Remove the orchid from the substrate and clean its roots. They should be clean to avoid transferring mold from the soil. Take a transparent pot or vase. You'll also need a styrofoam egg carton. Use scissors to cut it into small pieces. Since the carton is designed for food storage, it's safe for your plants. This foam absorbs and retains water very well. The orchid will always have slightly moist, not wet roots, which will protect it from rotting. Once you've filled the bottom of the vase, place the orchid in it. Holding it with one hand, fill the container with styrofoam. It should be dense enough around the plant to keep it stable. When planting the orchid, remember that its roots need access to light, so pay attention to this. Next, fill the vase with water. It's best to use soft water, such as distilled or boiled water, not straight from the tap. Leave the orchid for half an hour. After this time, pour out most of the water. The orchid only needs a little water at the bottom of the pot. Finally, I trim the orchid stems, ensuring there are no flowers or dry stems left. I sprinkle cinnamon on the cuts. Cinnamon has antifungal properties. This helps the stem seal nicely and encourages new shoots to grow. If the stem was diseased, cinnamon will prevent further mold or fungus development. It also helps prevent drying out. After a few weeks, you can see new buds and flowers appearing on the branches. Put matches in the pot. This will protect your plants. I'll show you why this simple trick is useful. Anyone who has plants at home takes care of them as best as they can. Plants not only improve air quality, but also positively impact our well-being. Proper watering is crucial, as both overwatering and underwatering can cause plants to wilt. The quality of the soil is also important. When it contains too few nutrients, the flowers become weakened, making them more susceptible to diseases and pests. These are a big problem. If we don't notice them, the plants deteriorate. That's why you need matches. Matches contain sulfur, which plants need. It's in the matchstick head. Thanks to sulfur, plants are healthier and stronger. The sulfur in the match head supports the process of photosynthesis. It helps plants better cope with pests and diseases. Take the matches out of the box and place them in the soil in the pot. Put the matches head down. Place the matches about 5 centimeters apart. Then water the plant as usual. After 2 days, pull out the matches. If the match head has dissolved, insert new ones. The sulfur dissolves into the soil if it is poorly saturated with it. With this simple trick, plants become healthier, grow faster, and pests stay away from them. Just one fruit will make orchids burst with flowers. They'll grow like crazy. Fertilizer made from the peels of this fruit is the #1 tonic for orchids. Banana peels, as we're talking about, are like the elixir of youth for orchids. When you eat bananas, you peel them. The peels you usually throw away. That's a big mistake. You can make use of banana peels, so don't throw them in the trash. Bananas and their peels contain many substances that orchids love. These include potassium, phosphorus, calcium, silicic acid, and sulfur. This makes orchids healthy, with beautiful green leaves and roots. Plenty of buds also appear on them. Simply prepare a simple fertilizer from them. But before you do that, wipe the orchid leaves with the peel. This alone will nourish the orchids. The leaves will shine. Now you can prepare the fertilizer. Cut the banana peels into smaller pieces. 1 or 2 banana peels are enough. Transfer the chopped peels to a jar. Pour in a liter of warm water and close the jar. Leave the jar for a day. The next day, strain the peels. You can now water the orchids with this water. Just feed the orchids like this once every 2 weeks. You'll forget about any problems in their cultivation. Water from banana peels is not only suitable for watering, you can also wipe the orchid leaves with it. It's a versatile fertilizer, most suitable for orchids. This natural fertilizer makes my flowers grow like crazy. It contains everything flowers need. I can use it on any plant in the house. My plants have finally stopped getting sick, and their roots have strengthened. The flowers are beautiful and healthy. Thanks to this fertilizer, potted plants have large green leaves. It increases the number of buds and shoots in flowering plants. This homemade mixture contains all the essential elements: potassium, phosphorus, calcium, silicon, zinc, and others. To prepare it, you'll need rice and either a blender or a coffee grinder. Start by making rice flour from the rice. Meanwhile, get a jar ready. Put a teaspoon of rice flour into the jar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Heat 500 milliliters of water. Pour the hot water over the mixture in the jar. Close the jar and let it sit for 3 days. After this time, strain the mixture through a fine sieve. Dilute it. Add 500 milliliters of water for every 100 milliliters of fertilizer. You can save the rest of the jar's contents for later use. Now, water your plants with this mixture and wait for the results.
This fertilizer is for free. Simply water your orchids with it to encourage the growth of new leaves. Orchids are very temperamental plants, and many people struggle with their care. If you want to see new leaves, make sure to provide proper nutrition for your orchid. To prepare this fertilizer, you only need 1 ingredient. Put rice into a jar and pour warm water over it. Wait a few hours until the water becomes cloudy. This suspension is rich in silicon, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, potassium, and vitamins. Use it to water your orchid and nourish its roots and stems. You can also use cooled water from cooked rice. This fertilizer is like a vitamin bomb and also has a hydrating effect. Repeat the process every 2 or 3 weeks. You will quickly notice that the plant starts to produce new shoots. Rice water alters the soil's acidity and protects against diseases. You can also use it to water other potted plants.
A gardener taught me how to make an eco-friendly fertilizer. When your plants are weakening and you've tried everything, give them this mixture. In the middle of summer, they will bloom beautifully again. You don't need to buy expensive products from the store. To prepare a natural fertilizer for your flowers, get a blender and put banana peels into it. Add coffee grounds and 6 eggshells. Then add a bit of water, close the blender, and blend everything into a smooth mixture. It looks like this. Apply it under the flowers, lifting the leaves to spread the fertilizer closer to the roots. Banana peels are rich in potassium, which supports blooming and strengthens roots. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen, which stimulates leaf development and healthy greenery. Eggshells provide the plants with phosphorus and calcium, which are essential for growth and strong stems. This mixture improves growth, supports blooming, and strengthens the plants. You can alternate it with the fertilizers we recommend in our other videos. Never place flowers in a vase this way again. Do you love flowers but hate it when they spread out unattractively in the vase? There's a proven method to achieve a surprising result quickly. All you need is some tape and a little patience. First, trim the flowers to the desired length that fits your bouquet. Take the vase where you want your floral arrangement. The first step is to fill the vase with water. Remember, the tape must be dry. Attach the tape across the top of the vase, marking the diameter, ensuring it is centered. Leave at least a 1 centimeter end at the edges. Then, place strips of tape along the sides, leaving a 1 centimeter gap between them to create a grid of small square openings. Once the grid is ready, place the flowers into the openings. This way, they will be arranged symmetrically, and there won't be any empty spots in the composition. Finally, you can enjoy the stunning result. The flower arrangement will stay in place and look beautiful,